Hi, welcome to my shop again. This is a little news and views segment here. I'm very proud and excited to be part of a Woodturners worldwide online symposium coming up in September 24 to 26. It's going to be 3 days of live and interactive events and 30 days of viewing so that you can see it all. It's going to be 30 or more demonstrations, 30 or 40 vendors involved, sponsors. So it's going to be a huge event. And I will be a vendor and a demonstrator. I'll be one of the live demonstrators. So you want to go to www.woodturnersworldwide.com and register. And if you use the discount code Lyle, L-Y-L-E, and it'll save you $10 off the registration fee. So get in to register and take part in it. The vendor area that I will have an open house, open hours. I'll have tool reviews on there. I'll have sale discounts involved. So come and see me in my booth live from the symposium. And I'll also be doing at least one demonstration on hollow forms. And I will talk about lots of different things, chucking methods and vibration issues and grain orientation and reverse chucking, using the boring bar and laser system, the whole process that you would be able to see and be live and ask questions through the chat and so forth. So come and join us. It's a Live with Lyle event. Woodturnersworldwide.com, and we'll see you next time.